Hi everyone, that's Yana with you here today. And I'm a teacher anyway, not only walking in parks and making videos, yes. And today I had such I would say, challenging task for myself to get ready for, to help a girl to get ready for an aptitude test. So that's kind of a task which is required if you need to get into some college here in Europe, yes, or maybe into some secondary school, yes, which is more or less here, 12 years plus. I mean, when the child is 12 plus, yes. And so you go to this S1, S2, and things like that. And I wanted to share with you how these one part of this test looks like and how really complicated it is. So it is not about knowledge of language, like you should know your vocab or grammar well. No, it's not about that at all. It's mostly about knowing logic, plus, of course, yes, to be quite fast thinking. I think you should be like, I don't know, as quick as you can, and because they always give you time limits, and you should be aware, what goes next. You should know alphabet, that's for sure, right? And as well as that, yes, you should be quite knowledgeable and have great awareness of what's going to happen with the format. It's always about the test. So let me show you a bit so how it looks like. I wanted to share with you lattice sequencing, so I will share with you a bit more but later. Okay, so let's do it step by step, because it's my first time, and it's okay. Yes, I can do that. I manage, but at the same time it's quite hard, to well, it takes time, I would say. It just takes time. Okay, let's have a look together. Well, that's is like a trial test, yes, here in letter sequencing test from one of the websites which Google offers, right? And the idea is, yeah, so you have, for example, some letter sequence, yes, you've got alphabets, thanks God, okay, and you need to make up your mind here. So what is going to be next here? So this is a kind of an aptitude test, yes, which is required for school. And entering here, for example, for the high class, yes, like secondary classes, right? So here, for example, you have to think like what's going to be next to make up your mind. And it's not like ABC and what's next. Yeah, basically it will be D. No, here you need to think like what's the order, but there is always some kind of order, there is always some kind of sequence, yes, which you just need to comprehend. And that is that. Well, have a look, girls and boys, okay? Can you think why? Here it will be J. Or maybe you can decide this one, and I don't have an answer yet. Yes, so, well, have a look, have a look. Let me know in the comments if you can make it. If it's interesting, I can, for example, post one picture, yes, and you will of kind of tasks like that, yes, and or links where you can do this test, and it will be a challenge for you or homework to try to do that. Let's do this.